This is a Palomar Skipper 300 I picked up, even though it's got stickers on it. It is a Palomar. It's got the board in the back with the two white relays and the bigger one for the key up. It's got four 8950s in it, and they all test good. And here's the switch and the pedal control I just put in it. I'll show you how this thing works. Got a front mic, Cobra 148 GTL. Dead keys right at 2 watts. Swings about 6. And if I put it on sideband, I'm not a very good whistler. Anyway, it does work on sideband. Little fan. So I got it set for RF keying on AM. The receive amp does work. Let it warm up a little bit. Let's try the receive amp. 1919. There's my tone. And if I flip the receive amp off, you can see it drops a little bit. So there's with the receive amp on. There's with it off. Get that noisy thing out of the way. Okay. I'm going to try doing this. Need to break me up a switch so I can keep this thing keyed up. See if I can hold the mic and tune the radio at the same time. Okay. Oh, operate. Oh, better put it in 300 scale. Okay, in the corner, 300 watts. I'd use a bird meter, but I got my 1,000-watt slug in my car. Okay. I'll put it on 3 kilowatt scale. Let's see what it'll do. Almost 350. Now let's try it on sideband. Lower side. Does have a little bit of a delay for the modulation. Now let's flip it over on pedal. Now I got to do 3 things at once. Okay. Mash the pedal, key it up. Hello, hello, hello. Let's try it on AM. Anyway, it keys up anyway. Hello. Hello. And there's with the pedal. Might take this to the ham fest. Those tubes are worth $100 a piece. Anyway, bada boom, bada beam. I had to do a little modifying. Had to cut the trace out on that board and isolate the keying transistor. Let's see if I find something to poke with. the keying transistors right there. And that's the sideband delay. Had to cut the trace going to that, coming off of that transistor. I run it through the switch and then back to it. And then of course the pedal port runs to ground. And then it just keys it up. You can see the relay down there clicking. And I don't know what's up with this meter. Probably broke. You have to use a watt meter to tune it. Anyway.